In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the size of cells in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to adjust your cells. This is the file you'll be working in, and once it's open, you can decide whether you want to change the width of columns, the height of rows, or both. Changing cell size can make your spreadsheet much easier to read, especially when text looks cramped or when there's too much empty space. One of the quickest ways to resize cells is by using your mouse. If you want to change a column, move your cursor to the top of the sheet where the column letters are displayed. Place the cursor between two column letters, such as A and B. When you hover in the right spot, the cursor will change into a double-headed arrow. Once you see that, click and drag to the right to make the column wider, or to the left to make it narrower. To adjust a row, the process is very similar. Move your cursor to the left side of the sheet where the row numbers appear. Hover between two row numbers, such as 1 and 2, until the cursor changes into a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag downward to increase the row height, or upward to reduce it. This method is useful when you want a quick visual adjustment and prefer to size things manually. If you need more precision, Excel also lets you enter an exact measurement. Start by selecting the rows or columns you want to change. This is helpful when you want multiple rows or columns to be the same size for a cleaner, more consistent layout. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click Format. From that menu, choose row height if you're adjusting rows, or column width if you're adjusting columns. A box will appear where you can type in the exact numerical value you want. Enter the size, then click OK to apply it. Using exact measurements is especially helpful when you want your worksheet to look polished and organized, or when you're preparing a file to share with others. Manual dragging is faster for small changes, while the format option is better when consistency matters. And that's it. Once you know these two methods, changing the size of cells in Excel becomes quick and easy, whether you're making simple adjustments or setting precise dimensions for a more professional looking spreadsheet.